Hello and welcome. My name is Jovika. I want to talk about the mantra that is ongoing in Nigeria now. And what is the mantra? All eyes are on the judiciary. I want to talk about it, vice versa, the personality of Peter Obi, because of him, why the all eyes are now on the judiciary. There are some factual retrospective view I want to express as far as this particular Nigeria and the election and Igbo man is concerned. You may agree with the fact or the truth that I am simply saying it the way it is. You may also disagree, but the facts and figures are there. Now, the election was held. Unfortunately, when it came to the point of the international presidential election, the ZIVF or VV, whatever name they call the ANEC reporting portal suddenly went off. The same reporting mechanism, I don't know the name, I don't care to know the name, forgive me. Reporting mechanism worked during the National Assembly. It worked during the State Assembly, but presidential election, it never worked. Before that particular election, I was live getting calls and reports from different polling units to update the public, the whole world, who are following me on YouTube Live and Facebook Live, to let them know what is happening about the election. A lot of calls came in, how people were disenfranchised, in Port Harcourt mainly. So when some people begin to say that, why are you people talking against the result that have been announced? Before the election was even started, people have already known the result. Why do I say so? People started to report how they were disenfranchised, how they were forced to vote Jagaban, Emiloko, or they should not vote. The same measure that was being used in Lagos, that if you're an Igbo man, you want to vote against APC, then stay in your house. People saw it. It happened. Some people left home with wounds. Some people were disenfranchised. A lot happened. Except you are for the APC. You'll be allowed to vote. I know some people now that are still in the hospital. Some are deformed. Some are below the grave. Just because they wanted to vote the person of their choice. And at the end of all those exercise, they took whosoever they wish that you think should be there. And that is what is happening now. Now, and they still went ahead and announced who they wished won the election, which is being contested. The same person that is being contested in the court, the ECOWAS made him their chairman. So I'm talking about the eyes are on the judiciary. They made him the chairman. Somebody that his position as the president has never been validated, waiting pending court. But a decision has already been taken that he's going to be the chairman of the ECOWAS. You have to read between the lines to understand what is going on. So whatever that is happening in Africa have foreign influence. It's an obvious statement. And why Peter Obi lost the election or declared his election that people, by the mandate of people, think he won, but another person was given the result, that he was denied, is also being manipulated from the powers that be, foreign missionaries. When I started giving my support for Peter Obi, people were talking all manner of whatever that was vomiting out of their mouth, that he has gone to submit append his signature with the British. That was what he went to, what's it called, the Chatham House in London. He went there to go and make it. But then everybody who must be the president must be there. So the people started saying he's going to win. That's why he has gone there to settle with the British. I was laughing at you guys. These people have simply seen what he can do, that you're not going to give them chance to have their way. Hence, he will not be the president. Peter B in interview said that he's not going to allow the office of oil companies, that oil refineries, everything to be abroad. And you think they will keep quiet for such a person to be in power? You must be joking. Now, based on this particular retrospective factual views of mine, do you think they too will not have influence on the judiciary to declare whosoever they wish? Let's reason. So that you are putting eyes on the judiciary will not change anything. Look at how they are removing the billboard of people who say their eyes on the judiciary. They are removing their billboard. And I want to bet you, mark this my word, they will end up declaring whosoever they wish, not who won the election. And he can do nothing about it. I'm sorry to say it, they're not going to declare Peter Obi because he will not support and work with them. He wants to change the narrative in Nigeria. Hence, no chance will be given to him. Why? I've told you why he will not be given. Because he wants to change the narrative. He want to change the system. That's why they will not give. Number two, he is an Igbo man. Let's say it the way it is. He's an Igbo man. They will not give him that opportunity. Yes. Then, if you keep saying all eyes on the judiciary, was I not on judiciary when they declared somebody who came forth to be the first in one of the states, in Igbo state to be precise? Was I not on them when they made that declaration? What happened? Did they have him fall? Some of the decisions they have taken in recent days about the senior president and the senior president who said that, I can't remember. How even the vice president, the current vice president now, how he become the vice president was the judiciary didn't decide on that he should be there. Somebody who contested in Senate, also now he's the president, when the law says otherwise. So there are so many factual figures that will help you to understand that it's not by your eyes should be on the judiciary. They will decide what they have want to do and they will achieve it. Don't forget that the judiciary, no Nigerian politician, almost all of them, can be indicted. They all have skeleton in their cupboard. So even the judiciary have. And those people that know how they have that skeleton in their cupboard will know how to indict them. If they rule against the executive will expose them and they'll be in trouble. Look at what is happening to MFLA. I'm going to do my report. I'm going to make a video on MFLA so that I understand. What is the implication of what is happening to Igbo race and Peter Obi? This is the only first time that Igbo produced a candidate that was globally accepted and nationally accepted by so many people, both in the north, south, east, west, everywhere he was accepted. And if this chance is not given to him, never in history will an Igbo man, where anybody will come up as an Igbo person, will be accepted the way Peter Obi is accepted. Whether you believe it or not, let's watch and see. So those of you who came against him, the Soludos, Ojuza Carlos, Umahias, a lot of you came against him that it is not the turn of Ndi Igbo. And this turn, you guys allowed this particular turn, this opportunity to just fizzle away. I promise you, never will you also be there. You fought your brother not to take the position he comfortably won. And you think you're going to be there tomorrow. As an Igbo man, it will not happen. Somebody help me share this video to them. Let them receive it. If you have not started following us on social media platform, do it now. Let me stop my case for now. But I want to tell you, all eyes on judiciary, we are simply wasting our time. All eyes are on their pocket. Look at the ministers. The same people that be eating the country raw. These were the people that were still in power. Where are the youths in that minister? Where are the youths? The so-called leaders of tomorrow. I beg, I remain Joe Vicar. I just broadcasted from Joe Vicar TV. I am just signing off. See you in my next program.
get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube?
Jovika TV.
Hey, you want come for Facebook?
Jovika TV.
Instagram and Twitter.
Jovika TV.
Abi, you want come for TikTok?
Jovika TV.
Abi, now WhatsApp you want come?
Jovika TV. Jovika TV.
Poised to reach you with the truth.